Today I'm going to show you how to make a cuica. You'll need a cup, I'm using a paper cup, a nail and a paper clip, some string, a piece of material. I'm going to show you how to use it differently after, and some scissors and water. First, you have to get your nail and make a hole in the cup, like this. After, you need to get some string. You need to fit it through the hole. You need to cut it first. About this one?
Yeah.
About this long. You put it in front of the line, the hole, and then you push it down with the nail. And after, you take a lot out and leave a little bit still out. After, now I'm going to put the string into the paper clip, and you are going to do 2 knots. And you might need a grown-up to help. Paper clip is to stop the string falling out. And after you've got your paper clip like this, you can dip your fabric into the water, and you're going to squeeze it because you don't want it so wet. Then you open it and put it near the top. And then, or you can dip your fingers in and I hope you enjoyed making your cuica at home.